Hi everyone. Um I don't know how much this video will make sense for you guys or not, but I wanted to post it because this was really taking me in my head for a toss. That it's not something about just mental health or posting about someone or losing someone or something like that. But then we really need to understand that mental health is uh, not a thing that you you can just talk about and get away when someone has already gone, when someone is already dead. We don't talk about it. Uh, we don't really take into consideration when things are really going wrong, when you are doing something wrong, when you're bullying someone, or when you're trying to put someone else down on social media, off social media, or anyways, even if you're trying to put your friend down in any manner, even if in a funny manner, it is a wrong thing, and you never know how that person would feel and how this can go and take them for a toss. uh, it's not just about saying it on social media or just posting about it, but someone who's been into it and uh, is already facing something like that, especially in these trying times when it's very difficult for everyone to cope up with their day-to-day lives, with financial things, and otherwise it's very difficult to know how and what could happen with the other person or ourselves. I mean, I am not making this video because of any XYZ things, but I completely feel, I don't know, I feel very saddened and bad about things that's been happening. uh, we don't really stop others when they're roasting or other shit that has been happening with current uh, I don't know if I should call that a coming generation or whatever. But then it's really sad that we don't stop it, we don't post about it when we're supposed to post about it, and then we when we lose someone as a celebrity or someone, then we just start ranting on for a day or a two or a week on a social media, and then it's gone. Then it disappears like it never happened, or nothing really happened ever. And it's sad because we don't really listen on when someone says that I'm in depression, or when I am going through a lot of things, or please don't say something like that to me, or please don't do that. They, you, me, I mean, I don't know about others, but I really care now. I mean, people who know me now from past few years have stopped pulling people down. I can't do it. I really can't do it. I mean, I don't know how people manage to do it, but then it's very difficult for me to pull someone else down. I mean, even if someone is doing something really bad, why do you have to comment bad? Let them do it if that makes someone happy. I mean, even if that person is a friend or not a friend, let them do whatever, be it any social media platform, be it anything that they're doing, be it anything that they're posting. It's completely up to a person. We live in a democracy, and you don't have to act like that. You don't have to make someone feel bad about how they are and what they're planning to do or what they are doing. This is quite insane. And apart from that, the weirdest and most annoying thing that I've felt is people posting and sharing pictures of a dead person. You are not supposed to share. If the cops have clicked it, and if the media has clicked it, or whosoever has clicked it, it's really sad that you're clicking it, because imagine someone from your family dies and someone clicks that picture and posts it on social media. That's really disgusting. Disgusts me to the hell. You are not supposed to share any of these kind of pictures with anyone. I'm not posting it for someone or someone who's shared, but then I've seen in general that people do post things like that. This is crazy. This affects a lot of people's head, especially me. I completely cannot take these kind of shit. There's someone who's lost his life for XYZ reason. Maybe he killed himself, or whosoever, whatever, she, they, whosoever they were. You're not supposed to share their pictures. You you can uh, pay tribute, you can grieve about it, you can share their old pictures. I mean, I don't know if you can share them also, but then if you are sharing, just don't share whatever you've received from forwarded messages. It's disgusting. Also, mental health is not a joke. When we say that we have to talk about it, we have to talk about it, be it a man, woman, any XYZ person. It's very important for us to talk. People just throw it in a bin or in a joke, or they think that making it a funny thing will make them drive away from it. No, no, that is now not how it works. That is not how it works. People have been into it for years, and it's not just about depression or something, but mental health is a vast thing. I mean, it is not something that you can just throw up on social media and show your grief or care about and just disappear when someone needs it. Just think about what I just said, if you've uh, heard whatever I said. And it's really sad that we're losing people because of mental health, and we can't do anything about it. Thank you.